In this video, I'll show you how to create a free ChatGPT 5 account step by step. You don't need a credit card. First, we need an email address, so open your web browser. In the address bar, type m.bjedu.tech. Second, click on Create New Email and choose This one ends with .me. Copy your email and open private browsing. In Google Search, type ChatGPT for Teachers and choose this link. Click on K-12 Verification. Sign up for free. Get the code from your email. Close private browsing. Finally, open your account in normal browsing. Congratulations! You have ChatGPT 5.2 for free. See you next video for more tips. Share and subscribe. Peace.